Hello, welcome back. So the price of ETH is now 3,400, so that makes anything that I own pretty much back where I bought it or like above where I bought it. Um, Claylings, I saw their Twitter. They actually have like over 30,000 followers and they had some kind of an announcement. Hold on. Claylings. See, 30,000 followers. You have no idea of what's coming. Enjoy the dip. So I was like, oh, that's interesting. Um, Also, dope Shibas, which I got at prices like zero point zero 0.01, zero point zero 0.02, they are now at pretty much zero point zero 0.06. So I'm above pretty much all of them. I'm above on six out of seven. The seventh one, I think I got it at zero point zero 0.06. It's like a rare one. So that's exciting. What else? These are what the top percent gainers look like. Um, Winter Bears, I think, was a um, what's Wall Street Bets pump. Galactic Apes really went far. Cryptodes is now at 6 ETH. That's insane. Cool Cats is at 12. Um, Cyberkongs I feel like went up. What else? Bears Deluxe went up. I think there's a new gutter pigeon that I wanted to check out. Ether Gals is starting to go up, but I don't have one. Where is this Sad Girls bar? It's hanging around 11 still. Um, Creatures dropped a little since from when Shaq got into it. It was as high, I think, as 3 point something. So it's at 2.8. Same thing with World of Women. It went as high as 3.5, 3.3. It's back at 3. Um, Ape Dow 32. Crypto Chicks 27. But see, when Crypto Chicks was at 0.54 before, it was at like $1,100. Now it's dropped 50% in value, but the price of ETH has gone up, so it's pretty much around the same price. So I'm waiting for this to go higher in price. Um, these are 27. Axolotls goes between 20 and 18. And Claylings is at 34. What else did I want to say? Surreals is coming out. The Surreals, I think they're minting soon. I think tomorrow. Pre-sale, public sale, October 4th, 3 p.m. So this looks interesting. I don't know if it's going to go anywhere, but they've got 16,000 followers. Um, what else do we have? I got a pug friend from Space Punks. They airdropped it to us, basically, or like, no, they didn't airdrop it. 888 of them were able to be minted, and if you were fast enough, you could get one. So I got one and I listed it for 0.05. So I think this one's mine with the ramen bowl. So that's another. I think I paid $40 to mint it, so it'd be 130 if I actually sold it. So that's awesome just for doing nothing. And what else? I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to say. The biggest news that I feel is that Dope Shibas is running right now, and I'm in like super early because of no futuristic. So I'm really excited about that. I think I tweeted that like somebody bought 100 of them. So that's huge. And it looks like they're coming off of the floor. Like this is where I was getting them. So now they're at 0.05. So that's exciting for me. Um, they were at 0.55, 0.05. Like literally, I posted about 44 minutes ago, and now it's at 0.059. So that's exciting. And what else? I'm into Aavegotchi now. I'm slowly learning about it. Basically, Aavegotchi is on the Matic network, and you can buy wearables and stuff. Let me switch over. So on here, you have to go like this, Matic. And this starts, play now. So what I learned about it so far is you have to have Ghost. Ghost is like the currency that it plays under. It's on the Polygon network. And there was a way that you could like stake your ghost so that you could earn friends, which gets you raffle tickets because they have raffles. Let me see if this would work. Stake ghost. So I've got this much ghost, stake it. And then I've been told to change the gas always to 50 or 100. So now I'm, is this working now? Unstaked. Staking, okay, it's staking. And then this will give me friends, 10 friends per day. And then from that, I can get tickets. I have one common ticket, one uncommon ticket. And then once a raffle opens up, you could submit it. But it's kind of a slow process. Whereas I used my ghost, and so you need an Aavegotchi, and then you put clothes on the Aavegotchi. So, and then the Aavegotchi earns like ghost and XP, something like that. So I decided to go with a game controller to be my flip. Lowest price. I bought one at I think 70 something. So there's a few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this one's mine. I listed it for the highest price. So I bought this for 75 ghosts 15 hours ago. I'm trying to flip it so that I could get an Aavegotchi because the lowest price of Aavegotchi is 300 ghost. So this is another like NFT money making thing that I'm like learning about from No Futuristic. He knows a lot more about it. So that's just what I've been doing so far. I was very like hesitant about it because I didn't understand it, but now I understand these small things. Like they have a bazaar and you can buy things there, and there I don't know what the portals are. Then you have your Aavegotchi, which you can like pet and you get XP. And I think there's mini games coming. I don't know. So this is it for now. Let me know if you like this video. Please leave a comment. It helps. And subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.